Hi, I'm Phoebe. I'm a second year at Holme Lacy College studying Equine Management Level 3. I found my past 2 years being incredible, learning about all the different things horses have to offer and how to help me in my future.
Hi, I'm Ella. I'm a second year Level 3 Equine Management student here at Holme Lacy, and the past 2 years have really helped to grow my passion within the horse industry. It's really lovely here with the new facilities and stable blocks and meeting all the horses, as they all have very different personalities, and it's really good to get to understand and know each horse for themselves.
Hi, my name's Faye from Level 3 Equine, second year here at Holme Lacy College. This is Bede, our ex-chaser. Coming from a non-equine background, I find that this course is really supportive, so all the tutors and everything have been really supportive with me, as I've not known anything about horses, coming into not knowing anything to being able to feel confident to handle, tack up and ride horses.
Hi, I'm Belle and I'm a second year Level 3 Equine Management student. I thoroughly enjoyed it here with all the opportunities you get to do as part of the college. The tutors are fantastic for pushing you to what you want to do, even if it's like any little thing. So especially with the second year, it's quite often like you look at towards uni, which is what I want to do. But as well as you don't have to do it, there's also, they talk to you about other options, whether that's help finding a job for you to do after college. For me, I want to go to uni to study, become a equine physiotherapist. I want to go into the army to do this, to be with all the cavalry horses and help them out with their duties. And I think this college has really set me up for it. They have beautiful facilities that we're all free to use. It's quite nice with it being a smaller college, as it's more easy to get sort of hands-on with things. All the horses are lovely and friendly, and yeah, and it's just really nice to be here. It's got a nice calming atmosphere to it all, so I've definitely enjoyed my time here.